Okay, it's time to start. This is going to be my first stroll around the neighborhood, and I figured I'd take it and go along for a walk. Oh, hello, Cash. What you doing? Oh, don't be walking with me. Hey, baby. Oh, you're a good boy. Hello, Cash. Hey, baby. Yeah. What a good boy. Yeah. You can't walk with me. Your arthritis is too bad. Stick around. I'll be back. Oh, you gonna walk with me? Okay, come on. Oh, you're walking better than I can. In my line of work, I'm hauling oxygen bottles and oxygen concentrators. I could pick that stuff up in and out of a truck. People were commenting that I wasn't looking good, I wasn't moving good. And I realized that, yeah, I'm tired all the time. I just couldn't seem to perk up. And I just didn't feel like going anywhere or doing anything after work. I just come home and crash. And this has been something long in coming that has all of a sudden become a major impediment. They said, we're going to keep you overnight. And I thought maybe I might have had a lung infection or something. They said, no, it's your heart. There is a efficiency level measurement that they can do that determines how efficient the heart is in pumping blood. And normally it's ranged between 55 and 70% efficiency. No heart's able to pump at 100%. If it does, you'll blow out your veins and arteries. In my case, the heart was only being able to put out about 15%, which is not good at all. They confirmed the fact that I had an artery, the aorta was stiffened, and it was not closing and not opening enough. And consequently, I need to get a new heart valve. Wow, it's been a roller coaster back and forth. And incidentally, this is Cox Ferry. This is a historic point. Way back in around the Revolutionary War, a ferry boat would be able to be led across over here from Cox's Ferry to Pitch's Landing. There's the historical marker that talks about it. Rears Cox's Ferry, and it has a pretty good story. Francis Marion's men crossed the Waccamaw here at Greer's Ferry. The receipt states Ory received of James Greer sheep, 5 pints of rum, breakfast for 9 officers, and ferriage for 58 horses and 50 men for the use of the division of Marion's regiment under Ory's command. That's Peter Ory, lieutenant colonel in the Revolution, who the county is named after. And interesting little story to tell. And it's a really pretty sight. I'm very, very blessed to be living right in this little area. The old ferryman's house has been restored. Well, I just made a landmark. This little walk down from the house, a little over 1/3 of a mile. I could not get this operation done soon enough. I was so anxious. I'm not winded at all, except for me running my mouth. I'm not tired. Wow, such a change. I wouldn't have been able to cover this distance if it wasn't for that heart valve. There's no way I would have made this walk. I couldn't do it. This is a little fishing pier and boat dock. This is called Cox Ferry Lake. It's actually the lower lake. The larger lake is up that way. The park itself is closed for overnight camping, you can't camp. However, if you have a boat and you come up and tie up here, they ain't gonna stop you. They can't stop you because you got free access. But this park is open to the public from dawn to dusk, and it is a really wonderful, beautiful, natural place. What you doing? Look at you. You got wet. You went and got wet. Yeah. Big baby. You big baby. Yeah. For the time being, I just want to walk. I want to savor the moment, and I want to get back into doing this. So you'll see me down here doing my videos again. It won't be long. We're blessed by having wonderful, mild winters. It'll probably get cold and rainy come January or so, but right now here in November,